Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how we plant bush bean seeds in a container or a grow bag. Here's a clip from the show. All right, so peas are out. We are going to plant bush beans. The variety I'm going to grow today is called Provider. It'll come up, it'll take it 50-60 days to start producing. It's going to put on a big crop. In about 3 weeks it'll be done, and that's going to fit into our time frame really well. All right, so to plant this, the peas are out. Now peas are givers, beans are givers. I don't want to put any compost in here. I did add 3 tablespoons of the fruit and flower fertilizer, just so I can pick up the potassium and the phosphate and the trace minerals. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a finger hole about every 3 inches. So I'm going to put 10 holes in here, and then I'm going to put 2 bean seeds in each hole. Now the reason that I want 2 is that if something happens to one, I have a backup plant, because I can't get the time back waiting for the beans to come up that don't come up and then having to replant, because we are pressed a little bit on the far end with the frost. So we want to make sure that we have enough time here to get this done. So 2 plants per hole. We can always cut them off if we got too many. And I'm just going to cover those up. They're planted about a ½ inch deep. And then the next thing I want to do is add some mulch. So this is just some grass clippings and tree leaves. We are having a pretty good drought, and the trees are reacting a little bit to the drought, so they are dropping some leaves, even though it's early summer, like that. It's fairly thick on here, but the beans are big and they'll push right up through that. And we should start to see these popping in 7 to 10 days. So this clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10, Week 7. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.